Hi, my name is Anders. I'm from Team Copenhagen Trackers. To get started using our tracker, you need to go to App Store or Google Play and download our app. When the app is installed, you insert your email and make a password. Then you register it. Enter the 20-digit code which is under the tracker. Then you give it a name and you choose a profile. We suggest you choose burn mode, which is good for the startup. Once you've done that, shake the tracker 15-20 seconds. After shaking the tracker, please place it outside for the best signals. Within 3 to 5 minutes, it will appear in the map. This you only do once. Now the tracker is working and you need to choose the setting which is best for your purpose. There are 5 settings to choose between, and the most common 3 are live, it is after movement, and 24 hours. If the tracker has not appeared on the map yet, please shake it again. We, from the Team Copenhagen Tracker, wish you good luck with your tracker.